Hello guys, this is Mayank Gupta. I'm a software developer at GiveMeFi.ai. So as I promised before that, I will be popping a video for the eager participants of Hacktoberfest as I described in my previous video. Now moving onwards, in this video I will show you how can you participate in Hacktoberfest challenge and win the swags. So let's start. So first step is sign up or log in to your GitHub account. Okay, just go to github.com. I have added in the description. Okay, and if you don't have an account, then please sign up here, and if you are already a existing user, click on sign in. So I am logged with my account. Now go to hacktoberfest.digitalocean.com and click on start hacking. So here you can see redirecting to you to GitHub. So now because I have already logged in with my GitHub account, you can see my account is here, mayankgbrc2@gmail.com, and participant, then select your country, India, and now whatever you want to receive the updates, just select here, start hacking. Okay, so you can see here Mayank GB2, you have not made any pull request yet. Okay, so now just to go through the link I have added in the description. It is github.com/codehouse India. Now come to repositories, and you can see here there are several repo, restaurant website, Java programs, Python programs, product display, survey form, and a few more. Like you can also see here everything, like share any of your codes, like whatever you want to share, any type of code, like whether if it is Python or C language or Java language or in any language you can share here. And you can share your Python programs here, and there are so many repo, like just see this personal portfolio page. Okay, so basically you can try to make a personal portfolio. Okay, so someone can add the basic HTML, then someone can add the CSS part or JS part, same like data structure and algorithm programs. You can add your DS programs in different languages here. So you can see here one survey form. Basically in survey form there will be a HTML with several fields, and you can try styling it and then adding the validation. So you can just put a small effort here. Okay, so I'm starting with here Python programs. Okay, so come to Python programs. So you can see here there is no any files now except readme. Okay, now come to add file, create a new file. Okay, I'm trying to create a new file. So here it is, you can write the file name, and like suppose I'm trying to write the Armstrong number. Okay, so armstrong.py, my file name is armstrong.py, and I have this code, so I'm pasting it here. And one more thing you have to do is you have to share this post. Okay, so you have to make a comment here and go to my video and click on subscribe button. Okay, now share the post on Facebook. So here you can see just change the change it to public. Okay, so it is now, the post will be public, and post to Facebook. So here post is shared. Now come to your profile. So you can see here, just click on the timing or the clock button. Okay, so here it is, just now click on this and copy this URL and paste it here. And this is mandatory if you want to make this pull request accepted. Okay, so you have to share this post and write the link here, and also you have to write the subscribed by the channel name, like from whom I subscribed. Okay, so it is Codehouse. So here it is, subscribed by Codehouse. Okay, you can copy this part here. Okay, now added, like propose a new file, like you want to give a message, added the Armstrong program. If you want to add some description, then you can write propose new file. Okay, so now just click on create pull request. Create pull request. So your pull request is done. Okay, so now just come to your profile page and refresh it. So you can see here your contribution, and you submitted, added the Armstrong program. So here it is, you have made your first out of 4 pull requests. Okay, now do 3 more pull requests in any different repo. So here I have completed my 4th pull request. Okay, now just refresh the page and you can see here your progress, 4 of 4 pull request. So you can see here you are almost here, like you have completed your part. Okay, now it will be my part to accept all those. I hope you have subscribed my channel and shared my videos as per my guidelines. Now wait for a couple of days, my team will review and accept your pull request. If you like the video, then please press the like button. If you have any doubt or query, then please comment it out. If you just want to say like you have done the challenge, then please comment done also. So that's it in this video. Thank you.